Another visit to Canterbury, New Zealand today. FieldMate 4 screen. I just thought I'd just show you a bit more random menus on it. So when you start her up, you end up with this screen showing the 4 bins you could be running. These 3 4 bins, these could be an alternative screen displayed here for low seed or driving an electric fan. If you were to go into the data screens for any of these bins, you can see the weight that's been released from each bin, the real kgs per hectare, and the area. So the real kgs per hectare is the area drilled versus the area that you've covered. So that's in the real world what you're actually drilling. And you got your fan speed down here. At any time you can go to report, and that'll show you the area that you drilled, the distance that you've been drilling, the weight of material that's been released for each bin, the hours drilling, and the total hours for the complete job. Some more stats saying the how many speed ticks that have occurred in run and in hold, and the size of the wheel and the width of the machine. And then we come to the setup specs for each of the bins, like there's bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4, and any compliance you might do. You just need a quick report. Simply, bin 1 released, in this case, 1/2 kilogram of seed, and it was drilling at 5 kgs a hectare. And lastly, it'll have a lifetime of hectares that the drill has been drilling and the hours that the drill has been drilling for. So that's simply found in the report screen. We've got a setup here, bunches of little things that you can set up on the screen that make the electric drive easy and simple to operate. All these settings can be found in the user manual, and we're happy to rake over these to make sure the system's going to work fine for your machine. And whenever you end up exiting the setup screen, just want you to turn the screen off, and that's just like a safety. So if you've exited the setup screen, just repower it, and then you're ready for drilling again. So yeah, another insight into the FieldMate 4, and easy, simple to use.